A young cyclist was left critically injured after being struck by goods lorry in a late-night accident near the Jangalia Electricity Office. The collision occurred around 12:30 am on Saturday near a plastic factory adjacent to the Jangalia Electricity Office. The victim was rushed to the Bishalgarh Sub-Divisional Hospital for medical treatment. According to local accounts, the crash was preceded by a loud jarring sound that alerted residents. Rushing to the scene, they discovered the young man in a grievous state and immediately sprang into action. The impact was severe, leaving the bicycle mangled and a rider identified as 18-year-old Cyclist bleeding on the roadway. Recognizing the severity of the situation, locals promptly contacted the Bishalgarh Fire Service Department for emergency rescue assistance. Fire service personnel arrived swiftly at the location, expertly extricated the injured youth and provided initial aid. The victim was then rushed to the Bishalgarh Sub-Divisional Hospital for urgent medical treatment. His current condition remains unknown.
Bishalgarh Fire Station একটা কল আছে আপনার জাঙ্গালিয়া ইলেকট্রিক অফিসে কিন্তু একটা প্লাস্টিক কোম্পানি আছে এই কোম্পানিটার একটু সামনে একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে আমরা খবর পাওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে স্পটে যাই একটা আপনার সুজুকি কেরি মালবাহী গাড়ি একটা বাইসাইকেলতে পাঠিয়েছে এখানে একটা ইনজুরি পেয়েছি একজন ওনাকে আমরা বিশালগড় মহকুমা হসপিটালে নিয়েছি
তাদের নাম ঠিকানা জানা গেছে
নাম ঠিকানা বলতে কোনো কিছু নাম ঠিকানা বলতে পারি না নাম জানি কৌশিক দাস 18 বছর
Upon receiving information about the accident, officials from the Bishalgarh police station also responded. Police teams were dispatched to board the accident site to begin their investigation and to the hospital to gather details. A police investigation is underway to determine the exact circumstances that led to the collision. Reported by Jiban from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.